Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Bodo and this is Bodo Thai. You finally arrive in Thailand and you're just walking around starving. You want something to eat. What should you eat? Thai food. Before you come to Thailand, you've been to a Thai restaurant. In the Thai restaurant in the States or wherever you're from, they give you a spice level of 1 to 5. Some places might even give you a 1 to 10, but most of the time I just keep it to simple as 1 to 5, right? The hotness levels all go all the way up to like the 5 level, right? You get used to the flavor, you get used to the food, so you can go up in the spice level a little bit. If you plan to go to Thailand, throw away all that spice level thing that you remember, because in Thailand we ain't have no spice level. None. If you say I want a spice level 3, spice level 2, they're gonna look at you like, fool? What are you talking about? No. Either it's not spicy at all, or it's extra hot. That's it. There's 2 levels. It's none or 100. So you're starving. You're ordering your food, and the first bite, bam! It's not edible at all. So today, I'm gonna teach you how to order your food to the certain spice level that you want. So you don't go back to the hotel with a stomach ache all day, and not even that. In the morning, you're gonna pay for it again. It's gonna blow another hole in your butt. It's gonna be that hot. Some people might even end up in a hospital. Don't do that. Today, I'm gonna teach you. No, actually, I'm gonna try to save you from happening. I'm gonna keep this simple. There's 5 ways to say it to control how spicy you want in your food. The first one is not spicy at all. No, none. Niet, nada. How to say not spicy at all? I'm a baby. Just give me a baby food, okay? No spicy, nothing at all. How to say it? ไม่เอาเผ็ด 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 ไม่เอา means I don't want any. เผ็ด means spicy. Okay? ไม่เอาเผ็ด Next. I just want a little spicy. Just tiny bit. Okay? I'm not a baby anymore. Almost like, you're in a kiddie pool with an inner tube, right? And you're like 30-year-old man, swimming in a kiddie pool. I just want a little spicy. How to say I just want a little spicy in my food? เผ็ดน้อย เผ็ดน้อย You see this? Sing along with me. เผ็ดน้อย Okay? That's just tiny little bit of spicy. Now, you graduated from like being a baby. Now you're a grown man. You want spicy, You can take it. You think you can do it. I want spicy. เอาเผ็ด เอาเผ็ด Which means I want spicy. เอาเผ็ด Okay? You ready? Because it's going to be spicy. Next, you're building up the level and you're ready to go beyond just spicy. You want a real Thai spicy. How Thai people would eat it in the morning. Like 6 in the morning, you can see people sitting on the street eating a dang spicy food. And they're like, yeah, child play. Okay, you want to be one of those. You say, เผ็ดมาก So you want a lot of spicy, a lot of chili in there. Yeah, just give me a lot of chili. Yeah. เผ็ดมาก 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 Don't come and comment on my channel and say, oh my god, it's way too spicy. No, you sign up for it. You wanted it that way. เผ็ดมาก Alright? That's I want a lot of chili in there. I want it to like blow a hole in my butt. a second hole in my butt. Now, the last one is like, I would call it the El Diablo, the most spicy, the holy grail spicy food, right? I'm gonna tell you how to order it, so you can order it for your wife, or so you can just order it for your husband, right? Just between you and I, just don't let him know. Just tell him this level of spice and like watch him scream. Okay. The last level is the El Diablo of all spiciness in Thai food. Okay. Are you ready? Pet Jat. Pet Jat. Pet Jat. All right, that you'll send someone to the emergency room. If you want to try it, you're welcome to. Just write in a comment, how it turned out, right? Well, the thing is, I like spicy food. But not that spicy, because I can't handle it, because I live here in the States for so long, and I'm getting weak. I'm getting weak, and for my level, probably just like pet noi, which is like just a tiny bit of spicy, that's fine. Most Thai people, if like a regular any Joe Schmo out there, might advertise. They probably eat. They can handle the heat. They probably go for like a regular spicy level, like our pet, right? But a lot, and some really want really spicy, and they don't feel anything. It's like they have no tongue. They don't feel any spice. They don't taste anything, right? But don't forget, once you order spicy food in Thailand, you have to be careful, because there's no milk. You can't just order milk. If it's too spicy, you're just gonna have to like sit there and just take it. Most of the time, you're probably gonna be sitting outside, and the sun's gonna be down on you, and they give you like a little tiny glass of water, right? There ain't gonna be no milk. All right, so be prepared, because if you want to eat something really spicy, maybe like carry some candies or something, or chocolate or whatever in your bag, just in case. But or don't do it at all. Just go with no spice. Go on with your days, having fun, and try a different kind of food. That's what I would do. A little spicy is fine, but don't go all like El Diablo and stuff, and then that will kill you. Okay, and you're not gonna have fun anymore, because in the next 3 days, you're going to be relieving that spicy every morning. And the El Diablo is going to come and visit you every single night and every single morning. So be prepared. If you like this kind of content, please give me a like and subscribe. My name is Bodo, and this is Bodo Thai. I will see you next time. Peace.